All right, everybody. All right, everybody, welcome back. All right, everybody, welcome back. All right, everybody, welcome. All right, everybody, welcome. All right, everybody, welcome back to Mustangs by Matt. The whole point of this video series of Mustangs by Matt in general is to show that anyone can do anything. See, I'm just a guy working out of his garage. I don't have the best tools in the world. I don't have a lift. You know, I've got 4 jack stands and 1 jack. You know, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. And that's why I try to go step by step and show exactly how to do the particular job, so that you won't be scared or intimidated like I was when I first got into this game. So with that in mind, I hope you find something here that's useful. If you think of a way to do it better, please let me know. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Be safe, have fun, and God bless America.